Alright, I just want to make a quick video for anybody out there that has a camper, fifth wheel, bumper pole, whatever that's got slide outs, even RVs. A lot of people, if you've owned one for a while, you'll know that the gaskets and seals and the slide outs aren't the best, and over time they do start to crack and fade, and then they'll or fail, not fade, but they'll start letting water in, especially on this wiper seal. As you can see on this one, just over time of being opened up and closed and everything else, they just start to tear, and they just let all that water comes in, just goes straight in and under here. There is another wiper seal on the inside, but that's not going to stop the water. Your main defense of water is this one wiper seal on the outside, and as you can see, it's just deteriorated. But so I've ordered it. I'm going to replace the top and the sides, and I've got new seals as well for this outer seal. As you can see, like this right here, it's cracked. So when this slide out is closed, that gasket is supposed to seal up against the side of the actual camper, and with that being the way it is, not sealing up good, so any water that's getting in is going right past that, past this wiper seal, right inside of your camper. And over time, of course, as well as me, unfortunately, that can cause significant water damage. Luckily, this one we caught ahead of time. This camper we actually did just recently purchase. And you can tell there is some very, very light, minimal water damage on the inside. On the slide out part, like the wooding part, has started to warp a little bit. Not a big deal. We're going to replace that as well. But I just want a quick video. Like I said, again, I bought all new wiper seals and these gaskets to replace. I got all of it off Amazon. I think to do, this slide out is about, I think it was 8 foot. So I bought enough of the wiper seal to do, like I said, the top and down the sides. I'll show you real quick. You see down all the way down the side, and enough of this gasket to do both sides and this top. Go ahead and replace all that. I think all that off Amazon was $50. So it's something very, very, easy to do. And to help prevent from causing thousands of dollars of damage, it's worth doing. But it's something. As soon as you open your slide out, just check your gaskets and seals, make sure they're good. If they're not, replace them. This one, it's got 2 screws on each corner on the top. Take those out, and I've already pulled it part way down, and it's got, it pulls right off. You pull that off, and it's got, this just slides up and clamps onto this metal lip. So the new gas I got, which is in that box down there, it came in, I think it was 30 foot of it. So you'll have to cut it to match. So just take your old one, measure it, cut it, slide it very easily back up there, just like you took it off, put 2 screws in and you're done. Same thing on the sides. And on these gaskets, I'll make another video to show you how to do those. But anyways, I hope that helps anybody. If anybody has any questions at all, feel free to ask me. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving yesterday, and if I don't make a video before, I hope everybody has a great Christmas, and can't wait for camping season to start back. All right, thanks.